Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome to V Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you a site that you can hustle and earn money from the comfort of your bedroom, from anywhere you are, from the street, from your vehicle. Are you traveling? Yeah, you can still do it. All you need is your smartphone. So the site is NAIRAWorkers. You can see this is my dashboard, but I'll be going back to show you how you can sign up into this NAIRAWorkers. How you can sign up into this NAIRAWorkers. So you can simply move on to your Google. I advise you to use Chrome. Type NAIRAWorkers and come to here and say register. So under the register, you can just fill in your informations. Vic, using just random information, King, username Vic King, mail, using my Gmail, and put any password of your choice. Then you click sign up. So after signing up, you will be given a code. So you put the activation code and you log in. So on here now, I will be logging in my account. So if you log in your account, this is my dashboard. Welcome Vic King. So this is my dashboard. So in this place, it also offer you a kind of space if you want to hire people to subscribe to your channel. Maybe you are running a YouTube channel, you want people to like your Facebook page and many more. You can just click here. But on this very place now, the reason why we are here, we want to perform a simple task and earn money, because we want to earn money. That's why we are here. So you choose this. So having chose this, it will kind of navigate you directly to where the available jobs are, and you can work and get paid. So these are the available jobs today. This one is saying YouTube subscribe. So in this place, they want you to subscribe on their YouTube and gain 14.40 kobo, just like that, 14 naira, and get 14 naira. So in this place, they say you should go to Chat Magoo and sign up. You get 24 naira, just like that. So that is, once you just get there, sign up and screenshot so that you can get a proof. In this place, they say you should go to Cowries. Wow, they offer you 152 naira. So by the time you do some of this job, believe me, before 1 hour you'll be able to earn 1,000 naira. Though the income is not much, but it's consistent. It's something you can earn every day. I can assure you of that. So you see, there are many of them. Let's say you should sign up into hi.com and gain 32 naira, just like that. You just sign up with an email, screenshot your process, and just get 1,000 naira. So let's see what these cowries want you to do. If you want to do a view job and see the description and see what exactly they want you to do, sign up using my referral code. Having done all this, screenshot your proof. After having done through with your registration, screenshot your proof and come to this place and say choose file. In this place, it allows you to kind of upload your proof. 1, 2, 3. These 3 places you upload your proof and click submit proof. If you just submit this proof, you will be credited. Your wallet will be credited, and from your wallet you can quickly withdraw to your account directly without problem. So I hope you find help with this. If you have any question, please shout me up on the comment below. Don't use this email I just used, because I don't normally attend to that email. It's just a random information there. So please, if you need any information or you need me to throw much light, please shout me up on the message and I will reply to you immediately. On this very platform, I'll be sharing a lot of side hustle that you can do and earn money. So please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.